In today's video, I'll show you on how you can find your Xiaomi stylus pen. Now, a lot of people seem to having this problem, and most of the time, people don't know how to find your missing stylus pen. Now, if you're just relying on the features of your Xiaomi pen or your Xiaomi tablet alone, unfortunately, any features won't be able to help you because the device doesn't have tracking installed or built within it. Now, the thing that we can go ahead and do to find our device is to head over to our Play Store while still being connected to our S Pen stylus pen. And then you want to simply download this specific application called Find My Bluetooth Device from Firehawk. And from there, you would then want to open up your application, click on the search device, and from there, it will then have this cold, warm, or hot meter. You just want to follow the indicator, and from there you will be able to find your device. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.